Already at 90 degrees on this first day of October. At least the humidity is not terrible. We are feeling like 92 though, factoring in the humidity that we do have in our atmosphere, our surface right now. Temperatures right now upper 80s to about 90 or so for all of our locations at this point. Our dew point temperatures have come down into the 70s, but a few spots still stuck, into the 60s, but a few spots still stuck in the 70s, particularly the lakefront where it's still really humid near those lake waters. Winds are from the north, so you may have gotten a little bit of a breeze at times. If you can get in the shade, get a breeze, it feels pretty nice. Now, if you're out in the sun and you're not getting a breeze, it still has that really hot, kind of summery, bright sunshine kind of feel. Our high is expected around 91 or 92. Should be pretty pleasant this evening, though, as we come back into the 80s. And then we do expect a bit of a breeze tonight. Our North Shore lows in the upper 60s and south of the lake 70s, very similar to where we've been lately. Jumping ahead quickly to the weekend, it's Wednesday. A lot of us thinking about the weekend. We do actually have a chance of rain. We have some clouds, we have a breeze, and crucially, we have these temperatures around 84 for highs instead of 90, 91, 92, even 93 like we hit earlier this week at the airport. We'll have a big high out to the northeast of us. We'll have a little stationary front to the south, and we will also have upper features kind of guiding moisture toward us, mainly from the northern Gulf. So this is why Saturday in the afternoon you can see, especially along the coast, but maybe we will see how far inland some of these showers can go, but we are expecting at least some rain with this setup. This is by Sunday morning. This is about as far as the European model wants to bring in rain. So those of us, again, to the north and west, not seeing nearly as much as toward the south. And then into Sunday during the day, you can see maybe some spreading north. So that's why our rain chance is there near 40 or 50% over this upcoming weekend. And then it goes down a little bit at the start of the work week. Now, right now, the Weather Prediction Center, a part of the National Weather Service, it does have, you can see our gradient of rain totals very tight. In fact, reds and oranges up to 3 or 4 inches along the coast. And then if you hop over to Hammond, probably less than 1/4 of an inch. So that puts a big part of our area, including New Orleans, a big chunk of the North Shore on toward Thibodaux and Houma, in the maybe 1 to 2 in the blues and purples inch range. So this could be a good thing. We've been dry for a long time, and it does look like we might get some of that needed rain this weekend. Still a bit uncertain, though, how far inland those showers will push, but we can at least hope for that this weekend. Probably not a washout, but just some kind of scattered showers, maybe especially Sunday. And now into the tropics. Umberto, no longer a tropical system. It has merged with a front. You can see it doesn't really look tropical at all. And then this is Imelda, a Category 2 hurricane. And the big thing for Imelda, first of all, it's moving pretty fast, 20 miles per hour. And of course, its impact with Bermuda, or impacts on Bermuda, are expected starting maybe later this afternoon and evening, especially for tonight, though, overnight. And then one good thing is that it's moving so fast, it should be pretty much clear of Bermuda off to the east by tomorrow morning. So this is going to be a fast impact, but big high surf, some heavy rain, and of course, hurricane force winds are expected along the island tonight. You can see it eventually weakens farther out to the north. Looking quickly at the European model, you can see this is the island of Bermuda right here, over 60,000 people for the population there. So some people certainly gearing up for that hurricane warning, which is, the hurricane conditions expected later tonight. This is midnight. That might be sort of the worst of it, midnight to maybe sunrise or so tomorrow. But look at this, by 8 a.m., it's already off to the east. So hoping everything goes okay there, as that is really the only land area out there that we're expecting Imelda to come near. For us, we see our temperatures coming down. We see that chance of some showers. We see a breeze and some clouds. So some improvements for sure. While on October 1st, we are waiting for a bigger cold front to come. Not in the forecast at this point, but at least some positive changes if you're hoping for a little less heat toward the weekend.
I would say most of us are. Thanks, Alex. A WNBA star is not holding